Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called This Book is Gray by Lindsay Ward. Color glossary. Color glossary. Primary colors red, yellow, blue. Secondary colors orange, green, and violet. Achromatic colors gray, white, and black. Complementary colors red plus green plus blue plus orange plus yellow. Blue plus orange, yellow plus violet. Now let's just get started. They never let me color just one tiny bit of gray. Is that so much to ask? I'll show them. I'm gonna make the grayest book ever. Once upon a time, a wolf, a kitten, and a hippo lived in a small house by the sea. Some would describe the house a dismal, bleak, or gloomy. But it wasn't. It was lovely and gray and perfect. Hey Gray, what are you doing? I'm telling a story. This looks dismal, bleak, and gloomy. Yeah, this is kind of depressing. It's just a little overcast weather, you asked me. Dude, where's all the color? Well, this book is gray and gray is the color. But you can't illustrate a good story without primary colors. Yeah, the three of us are like really important. Everyone loves us. The wolf and the kitten and the hippo. What is a wolf? Is the wolf going to eat the kitten? Because I feel like that's where it's going. Sigh. Of course not. Just because this book is gray doesn't mean it's scary or sad. So what are these animals going to eat if they don't have proper sun? It certainly won't be organic. I'm guessing the kitten. Do you mind? I'm trying to tell my story here. Hey, what's everyone arguing about? Hey, secondaries, we're just discussing Gray's monochromatic disaster. It's totally like about a cute kitten who gets eaten by a wolf. Is anyone listening to me? I said no primaries and no secondaries. This book is gray. Can I please get back to my story? What muted his hue? Ooh, a kitten. Yeah, dude, we're not sure how this fits either. Okay, but what's with the hippo? One day, the wolf decided to host a brunch. Dude, what's a brunch? Dude, a brunch? Really? That's so last year. I knew that kitten was a goner. Yep, I totally saw that coming. Oh, for Pete's sake, the kitten isn't going to get eaten. Who's Pete? I think Pete's the hippo. Personally, I think this book could use a splash of orange. Orange is totally a rad color. Thanks, Blue. So are you. I know you can't help it, but please stop complimenting each other. It's distracting. I'm about to get to the... Hey guys, what's going on? Gray decided to make his own book out of the blue. Yeah, and we're totally blacklisted. No primaries, no secondaries, no color at all. Just because I'm not a primary or secondary doesn't mean I'm not a color. Achromatics have feelings, too, Well, white and I are achromatic, just like you. So, can we be in the book? Sorry guys, this book is gray. But maybe... Wait, white, what are you doing? What are you doing? The wolf was about to pull out scones out over the oven when... White out! No! This book is gray, like me. Why is that hard to understand? You guys get to be in everything. I'm left out all the time. I don't even get to be in the rainbow. I just wanted to show you what I can do. Gray is cool. Is a cool color too, Sigh. I just get tired of being the one no one wants to color with. Everyone thinks I'm dull, but I can be bold. I can be interesting too. Sorry, Gray, I got a little carried away there. Yeah, man, we're sorry. Sometimes we can be a little off color. How am I going to get rid of all this snow? It looks like it's supposed to be gray now, but now it's ruined. No worries, Gray. We can like totally help you fix this if that's what you want us to do. Even though the wolf scones burned due to an unexpected weather delay, all the guests had a lovely time together in the garden. It was a great party. Ta-da! Isn't it like totally awesome? And look, we got brown and pink to help us. Dude, gray is such a cool color. I don't know how we never noticed before. Look at all these. Even though the wolf's scones burned due to unexpected weather delay, look at all these gray animals. Wow, this book is great and colorful. I love it. So what do you want to do now? Color? Totally. Me too. Yeah, dude, come on. Hello, Gray. You forgot to end the story. I'm getting hungry. Me too. Sorry, guys. I was coloring with my friends. I'm almost done. Turns out the kitchen could whip a mean brunch. Oh, and they lived greatly ever after. The end. So, what do you guys think? Awesome story, Gray. Easily like my new favorite. Let's read it again. Once upon a time, a wolf, a kitten, and a hippo. This book is pretty great. Like gray. Great, isn't it? Gray. So that's the end of the story. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!